Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to use the Renumber path feature. When we are drawing a footprint, it's common to first place all the parts in position. Sometimes the part size and location are already adjusted properly, but the numbering hasn't been organized yet. That's where the Renumber path function comes in handy. The process is very straightforward. You can find the Renumber path in the right-click context menu. Or from the top toolbar. Once you click it, a dialog box will pop up. Here you can choose whether to renumber all paths or just the selected path. You can also set numbering order, for example, horizontal then vertical, vertical then horizontal, anti-clockwise, or custom path. The custom path is especially flexible. It lets you draw a line with your mouse. And as long as the path intersects with that line, they will be numbered in that order. For example, let's say we have a BGA package. If I want to start from top left corner and number it as A1, A2, A3, and then go to B1, B2, B3, I can simply choose the horizontal then vertical order. Next, we can set prefixes and suffixes. For instance, if the prefix is A and suffix start at 1, software will generate A1, A2, A3, and so on. There's also an option to exclude certain letters like I, O, Q, S, and X. This is because according to the International Footprint Standards, these letters are easily confused with numbers. For example, O with 0, so they are usually avoided in BGA numbering. In addition, you can adjust how the numbering increments. Choose whether the prefix increases first or the suffix increases first. Under the horizontal then vertical scheme, you can even decide whether to increment the suffix first and then the prefix, or the other way around. Finally, you can set an increment, for example, start numbering from 2 instead of 1. The dialog box will give you a real-time preview, so you can check the numbering before applying it. Once confirmed, all paths will automatically renumber it according to your setup. This method is especially useful for packages with a large number of pins like BGA or QFN. It's quick, efficient, and follows industry standards. Alright, that's for this session. Thanks for watching.